Hello and welcome. Today, we'll learn how to properly set up and use a manual breast pump. Manual pumps are simple, affordable, and very useful for mothers who want flexibility and quiet pumping. Before starting, always wash your hands with soap and clean water. Cleanliness is very important to protect both mother and baby. Next, unpack the pump and identify the main parts: the breast shield, pump handle, valve, membrane, and milk container. Make sure all parts are clean and dry before assembling. Begin by attaching the valve and membrane to the bottom of the breast shield. This part helps create suction. Then, connect the milk container securely underneath the shield. Finally, attach the pump handle to the top of the breast shield. Once assembled, sit in a comfortable position. Place the breast shield gently over the breast so the nipple is centered. Press the handle slowly and rhythmically. Start with gentle pumps to stimulate milk flow, then continue with steady pressure. If you feel pain, stop and adjust the position. Pumping should never hurt. After use, carefully pour the milk into a clean storage container and wash all pump parts with warm, soapy water. Manual breast pumps support breastfeeding by helping mothers express milk safely and comfortably.